Criminals are scoring big on copper, and the city of Tallahassee is doing something about it. Companies such as Harper Revel Heating and Air Conditioning are aware of the problem and may have even fell a victim to the crime.
You know, they crawl underneath the building, they snatch out anything that they can get to. They'll take an air conditioning unit and what we like to call fillet it. They just pull the sides down, strip everything out, and there's nothing left but a compressor in the middle. And what they get out of it is probably anywhere from $20 to $50 worth of copper, and the damage that they do to the property is usually in the thousands.
There's an entire industry formed around selling scrap metal and copper, even if the goods were stolen. But new legislation is expected to put an end to that practice, well, at least the stolen goods part.
It's called the Metal Theft Prevention Act of 2012, and it aims to stop the illegal buying and selling of stolen copper. The law came into effect on Monday, requiring businesses to have permits for the copper on their site. In addition, recycle centers are no longer able to offer cash for any copper transactions.
We're hoping it'll have a positive effect on our industry in general. It doesn't so much affect our customer base, as we deal with a lot of utility companies and commercial customers that have legitimate reasons to have copper. If we do lose some customers because of the new law, we're happy to do it because we don't want stolen material coming to our facility.
The law doesn't stop there. Anyone attempting to sell copper must have their vehicles photographed and the make, model, and license tag recorded.